Whether you're inspecting HVAC systems, tracking heat leaks, or just geeking out over invisible temperature gradients, these thermal cameras bring serious heat. We tested 5 of the most popular models of 2025, from rugged handhelds to smartphone plugins. Let's break down what they actually deliver. TOPDON TC004. This handheld unit is a powerhouse, with 256 by 192 IR resolution, less than 40 millikelvin sensitivity, and plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy. It picks up subtle temperature differences with ease. The TSR Tech boosts image clarity, and the 25 Hz frame rate keeps visuals smooth. You get 3 measurement modes: center, max, MIN, video recording, and PC analysis with 3D imaging support. The 12-hour battery life is a game changer for long inspection days, and the IP54 rating plus 2 meter drop resistance means it's built for the field. Check the description for product links. This one's a pro-grade tool that doesn't flinch under pressure. FLIR TG267, designed for building inspection, HVAC, and electrical work. The TG267 features a 160 by 120 IR sensor with MSX image enhancement, which overlays visual details for sharper thermal images. The bullseye laser pointer shows exactly where you're measuring, and the IP54 enclosure plus 2 meter drop protection makes it job site ready. It measures from minus 25 degrees Celsius to 380 degrees Celsius, and the 2.4-inch LCD is bright and easy to read. Tap the description for product links. This one's built for pros who need fast, accurate diagnostics in tough environments. Seek Thermal Revealpro. This pocket-sized beast packs a 320 by 240 thermal sensor, giving it one of the highest resolutions in its class. It boots up in seconds, has a built-in 300 lumen flashlight, and lasts up to 4 hours on a single charge. The rugged design is perfect for field use. Whether you're hunting, inspecting insulation, or tracking heat leaks, it's simple, fast, and doesn't need a phone to operate. Hit the description for product links. This one's a standalone thermal tool that's ready when you are. FLIR ONE Pro LT. Plug this into your iPhone and you've got a thermal camera in your pocket. It offers 80 by 60 thermal resolution, 1440 by 1080 visual resolution, and FLIR's Vivid IR processing for sharper images. The one-fit connector adjusts to fit through most phone cases, and the app gives you spot meters, level/span controls, and report generation. It's ideal for quick inspections, home diagnostics, or creative thermal photography. Check the description for product links. This one's perfect for mobile users who want pro-grade thermal on the go. If you're on Android and want thermal imaging without breaking the bank, the IR501 delivers. With 32,136 pixels, a temp range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 626 degrees Fahrenheit, and plug-and-play Type-C connectivity, it's great for quick scans and DIY diagnostics. It's not as detailed as the big boys, but for basic thermal tasks, like spotting heat leaks or checking electronics, it gets the job done. Tap the description for product links. This one's a budget-friendly entry into the thermal world. From rugged handhelds to smartphone plugins, these thermal cameras cover every use case, from pro inspections to weekend DIY. The TOPDON TC004 and Seek Revealpro are resolution kings, FLIR TG267 is built for the job site, and the FLIR ONE Pro LT and PerfectPrime IR 501 bring thermal to your pocket. Smash that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. What's your go-to thermal tool?